refurbished thing. I'm unsure if it's this one or 37510 that was turbo screening, because my memory plays up sometimes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with McDonald's at Lower Sydenham. I'm gonna use the 3 Wi-Fi there, and then I'm gonna see if it was this one I saw last time, if the turbo screening, or 37510, because this one's 37511. Oh man, these are actually the paint's starting to get tired as well. It's looking nice, man. Looking old. Wow, I can't believe these are all officially refurbished now. Okay, these actually suit the new Arriva logo too, I won't lie. As much as I hate it, these actually do suit it a bit. Bro, nah, that's the thing, yeah. When any Arriva boss first gets this refurb, yeah, it always suits the new logo. But as soon as that paint starts to die out, it just looks ugly. But whereas with the older Arriva logo, it can still match it if the boss is in shiny red coated paint or not. It suits the boss in any state it's in. But this new thing, it doesn't look good when the bosses match up. When's the 356 gonna get retained by Stagecoach? Because obviously we all know 356 will stay with Stagecoach. It's not gonna move any group anytime soon. So I mean, actually, you never know. Actually, it could go to go ahead like 354 in it. It could turn out like that, or it could just stay with Stagecoach and be allocated with brand new electrics, or it's retained with these lot, because these ain't that old yet. They're only like 5 years old. 18, 19, 20. Yeah, it's 5 years old. 3 plus 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Oh, 6 years old. Yeah. Sorry. Wait, no. 19, 20. No, it's 5. It's 5. Sorry. My mind's playing up there. But yeah, these lot, it's nice to see them about doing their thing, doing their duty, aging slowly. It's nice to see them about still. There will come a time where eventually they get old and they'll have to scrap them and shit like that. Because with all the tech on new buses, yeah, I doubt that people are really gonna be preserving new buses like this, because of the responsibility of like maintaining shit. And these newer buses, yeah, they're easier to set on fire than older buses, you get me? So it's unlikely that people are really gonna preserve these lot. I would, 100%, but it's unlikely. Even me, yeah, it's unlikely that I'll preserve one of these lot, because they're much more. I can imagine they're much more expensive to maintain than the older Air Lexus or Gemini ones. So, yeah. Bro, imagine, yeah, at a running day, yeah, a bus catches fire. Imagine. Just imagine. That's doing the 119. 119 is a good route, you know. It suits. Go ahead. London. 100%. It's always suited. Go ahead. Only route. Only route I keep saying I hate with Go Ahead is 469. I hate 469 with Go Ahead. 469 belongs to Arriva, man. Put electrics on it, Arriva. Just bro, take back the Arriva better bid for the 469 with electrics, bro. I swear down. It suits Arriva. Full stop. B90Ls actually sound nice, you know. The compressors on them, man. Music to the ear, bro. You know what I love about engine compressors, yeah? The way they jump pitch a bit. Like at times, like the pitch of the engine compressor changes pitch a bit. Like randomly at times. Like that's what I like about compressors. Like nah, it's not random, but it depends on like what RPM, how the RPM is doing, how fast it's moving. And then the pitch of the compressor just shifts slightly. Nice old DW. Do I want to take that? I'm not gonna make that. I'm not gonna make that. Because if I miss that, and then nah. Bro, everyone says this, yeah. I don't see no one holding up space for no one in the bus, except for people in seats. Bro, move yourself in your seat, bro. Let other people sit there. You get me? But people complain about people standing around the bus, bro. There's nowhere to fucking move when the bus is packed. Do you want us to suffocate ourselves in the corner? Fuck no. That's why unfortunately sometimes you have no choice but to just get off a packed bus, bro, because it's unnecessary when they tell you to, when everyone in the bus is shouting saying, move down the bus, bro, do you not see everyone moving? Like, do you not see everyone moving, cuz? Like, we're all moving, fam. No one's taking up any space, bro, and you keep telling us to move. Bro, we need personal space, innit? Like, bro, like, drivers should actually follow the limit more for the amount of people that can be on a bus, innit? You get me? Like, drivers should follow that more. Because there's a sticker on the bus. Actually, no, but you can't be asked as a driver to count how many people jump on your bus, to be fair. You can't be asked to do that. Nah, that's long. Because the seating capacity, it says 55 seated, 22 standing, blah blah blah. You see it on like the walls and shit. At least one of the walls, you'll see the seating capacity shit. I have no idea why it's making that noise for.
High Street